Hello all, I'm Vian from FTC 14123, and today I would like to talk about some of the how we detect our team prop on our team. So this year we are using color blob detection. This means that we're looking at our frames, the frames that we're getting on the camera on the robot. We're looking at them and we're trying to find where is the largest blob, where is the most color that we're looking for. So for example, in FTC, we would be either looking at red or blue, depending on what alliance we are on. We're trying to look for our team prop here. So currently, we our team props are just pieces of pool noodle cut up and then wrapped around with red or and blue tape. So this is version one, but um, soon we'll be making a more ready competition ready one with the name of our team number on it. So back to the color blob detection. So in our code, the color blob detection looks like um, three submaps, which means three parts of the frame we select, and in on those three parts is where our team prop would be generally located on the frame if it was in any of those three spike marks. So on those three, we would take the average color inside the little box we make on those three. So since next that we've taken the average color, we next see which is closest to the color we want it to be. So for example, if we're on the red alliance, we have a red prop. So we're looking for red. So out of the three average color submaps, the little blocks on the screen, we take the average color, and instead of saying we take um, a range, which would be from this light red to this dark red, if it's between any values between those two colors, then we classify as red. We're not doing that. Rather, we take the three color values and then we compare them to each other, saying which one is closest to red. This eliminates the error of if you go to a competition and the light's shining really bright and maybe you're not able to see your team prop as it's way too light of a red and that's not in your color range. So then you would have to edit it before the competition, well, before the matches, and it can be a hassle then. Rather, with uh, color blob detection, all it's looking for is something that is closest. It's not saying that there has to be something there. It's just looking for something that is closest to red. So and then to compare the three colors, we do something pretty neat. What we do is we plot the RGB values of the average color. So RGB values red, green, blue, so a mix of those colors, and we plot it on a three-dimensional graph. And that is three-dimensional. Plotting it is possible because it on a three-dimensional graph, as we have three coordinate points, we can think of it, since a RGB value, you can think of it as an ordered pair. Then we plot all three of those um, RGB values on a 3D coordinate system. Then we use the distance formula to get the distance of each one to 255, 0, 0, meaning it's 255 red, 255 is the max in RGB, 0 uh, blue, and 0 green. So that's just the pure red. So we get the distance between the all of the for each of the average colors, we get the distance to pure red. Then whichever distance is the least, it means that that color is the closest to red, meaning that our team prop is most likely there. So using that, it can be very helpful in um, not needing to tune during competitions. So soon we will implement this directly into our code. Right now we have it in a separate case, so our robot won't be really moving. It'll just be detecting and we'll be able to see it. And we have 6 different use cases, I guess, if we're counting the blue spike marks. But if we're just counting one red spike marks, we have 3 cases. We have spike mark 1, which is the one on the very left. We have spike mark 2, which is the one on the center. We have spike mark 3, which is on the very right. So you can see that the colors, the average colors, you gravitate more to red when the team prop is located in those 3 average color splotches. If you'd like to give any comments or questions, you can put them in the comments. Otherwise, thank you. Please like and subscribe.